Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today, we're diving into something super exciting for all UI enthusiasts and content creators out there. I'm going to show you how to use the LTX-Video v0.9.1 workflow in MimicPC platform for both text-to-video and image-to-video generation. The latest update, version 0.9.1, brings some amazing improvements like removing, strobing texture, artifacts, adding STG support, and integrating an image degradation system for better motion generation. It even supports optional latent chaining for high-resolution video generation. LTX-Video is a set of custom, enabling both text-to-video and image-to-video generation. Alright, let's get started. First, head over to the MimicPC website and launch the platform. Once it's loaded, we'll begin with the basic configuration. Click Discover and find LTX-Video 0.9.1 workflow, then click to start. Open ComfyUI and navigate to the Workflows tab. Under Browse, load the pre-installed Workflows LTX-Video 0.9.1 i2v for image-to-video and LTX-Video 0.9.1 t2v for text-to-video. Firstly, let's start with the image-to-video workflow. Drag and drop your input image into the Load Image node. This will be your starting point. Then, customize the video settings in the LTX-Video Loader node. Adjust parameters like frame rate, resolution, and the number of frames. The tool will automatically ensure smooth transitions while maintaining your image's details. Use the Florence to Captioning tool to generate descriptions for your input. This helps guide the video generation process and ensures contextually accurate outputs. Next, let's move on to the text-to-video workflow. Open the LTX-Video 0.9.1 t2v workflow in ComfyUI. Enter your desired prompt in the Prompt Enhancer node. The tool allows you to refine your text description to add more depth or context to your video. Adjust the STG settings for the style you want, whether you're aiming for realistic, animated, or stylized outputs. Click Q and watch as your text transforms into an animated masterpiece. So there you have it. That's how you can use LTX-Video v0.9.1 to create stunning videos from both text and images using ComfyUI. MimicPC comes pre-installed with tools like LTX-Video and ComfyUI, so you can start generating videos right away. No setup hassle, just pure creativity. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to the channel for more AI content.